Hello guys, and today I'm gonna make a video to show you how can I use the spreadsheet software Excel. And I go to the Excel and open this blank sheet, and I'm gonna make this bigger here to be more functional. I'm gonna start right here in the middle, you can see better. And I'm gonna type some names like Maria, John, Sarah, Lucas, and Peter. Yeah. In the adjacent cells next to this, I'm gonna add some numbers. Maria, 98, 38, 38, 64, 39, and 50. Now I'm gonna change the color font. I'm gonna change these colors. It was always black. I'm gonna go to the font color and font color is near, and I choose green, another one orange, purple, red, yellow, and red. Oh, I just use red and blue. Now is totally different. I'm doing the border for this. I'm selecting all here and go to the function, this one, borders, bottom borders, and select all borders, just all borders here. I had changed the colors and I had did the borders. Now I can add numbers using the formula bar. I select all these numbers and copy and paste here, and that's it. And I'm gonna adding all these number. How can I adding? I select all and one more, and I go to the formulas and out sum, and that's it. All this number adding is this, and this look like this. After that, I'm gonna dividing this number 2, 8, 9. I'm gonna divide by 4. You can divide any number, any you'd like. And the formulas bar, there are no dividing here. I'm going to the look more function. There is no divide here too. No divide. Okay, I'm doing manually. How can I do? And select here this function. I'm going to the function bar and do starting equals here and select the number here and slash, and here enter 289 divided 4, 72.25. Now I just dividing the numbers. After dividing the numbers, I'm going to do average these numbers. I'm going to the formula function here, average. The average these numbers is 47. I just click here to show you all the averages number 98, 38, 64, 39, 50. The average is that's one. Now I gonna show you how to do the graphics. I'm gonna select all this one, copy, and I'm gonna paste here. I'm gonna do average. To do average, I go to insert, and I'm gonna show you this, how to do this. You can choose like this, and is the average for this, and just adjust to show you one beside another. And this is average. You can change the colors. Yeah, that's it. I just give you how to do the graphics number. Now I'm gonna saving this spreadsheet and go to the file, save as on. I give the number. I save as like task2 video 3, and I'm gonna save on desktop because that's gonna be easy to find it. Save it. Now I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna, after to save it, I'm gonna upload the Turnitin. I go to the Safari, the search engineer, and looking for my college, Christ Redeemer College, and here you are. And I go to research for the VLE, here you are. And I go to my course, and I'm gonna find the Turnitin on my assignment. Turnitin is here. I'm gonna open Turnitin, and I'm gonna submit the second, just here to find it. I'm gonna take this one, and here I'm gonna submit paper, and just drop here is like that. I didn't upload because I just show you how to upload the Excel file and turn it in. Thank you very much. I'm gonna close everything. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.